AutoDrive is a European-funded project aiming to accelerate the use of autonomous vehicles as a real, safe, fail-operational and affordable mobility solution through the use of heterogeneous intelligent solutions, including vehicle-to-everything communication platforms. In this video, the use cases being exemplified are emergency electronic brake light, where a hard braking event enables the vehicle to broadcast an emergency brake event to the surrounding vehicles. Forward collision warning, in which the aim is to avoid rear-end collisions in cases in which the vehicle up ahead slows down and the risk of this type of collision increases. Blind spot warning, where a warning signal is transmitted when a vehicle driving in the same direction is positioned in the blind spot area. Lane change assist, in which a warning signal is transmitted when a vehicle uses the turn signal for merging into the same lane as another vehicle and is positioned or close to entering the blind spot area. Intersection movement assist, where a warning signal is transmitted when a vehicle is heading towards an intersection and another vehicle is driving in the perpendicular direction, creating a high collision probability situation. Green light speed advice and time to green, in which information is transmitted between the traffic light and the vehicle. Vulnerable road users warning, where warning signals are transmitted from lighting poles to vehicles located nearby when vulnerable road users like pedestrians are detected by one of the radars. Motion-based dimming is also used to maximize safety and minimize energy consumption. Vehicle intersection movement assist, in which a warning signal is transmitted by a lighting pole to a vehicle when remote vehicles are located nearby. AutoDrive, making driving as safe as flying.